Yeah, no problem. I'm going through a door. Just like
I have a problem.
Right.
I like women.
My friend doesn't like anime, so hasn't played anime game. I played anime game, because friend got me to play anime game. So, I showed anime game to friend who don't like anime, and has not played anime game. Big brain time. Video.
PogChamp.
PogChamp. Also, friend is racist
video.
and homophobic.
Wait, me?
Yes, you.
I do not make. Oh wait, no, I have made a few racist comments. Although I've cut back on saying the N word, which is very good. Ow! Wait, I just cut down some wood? Hey man, let me play some Minecraft and let me chop
She
this
becomes
tree
a
down,
side
bro.
character very, very quickly, and that makes me very happy.
She just said, ow, I sliced her with. Wait, did I just kill her? Oh no, I didn't. She's fine.
Alright, I'm doing a mission with character.
I don't like this, I just had a very close view of
I'm just gonna kill her.
Lammy, I don't like this game already, I just got a really close view of an anime woman's arse.
Blah 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 blah. Yay!
Pussy Mom won't leave me alone. Pussy Mom won't.
You know, there's actually people who simp for that fucking thing.
That little rat.
Yeah, that.
This
I'm sorry,
floating fly.
If I ever get a kid that sounds like that and acts like that, I'm immediately chucking off the London Bridge. Like,
oh
the London
God,
Bridge is falling down. Yeah, it will. With this little shit on it.
Today your ass is gonna die, bitch. Say goodnight, motherfucker.
Man, make sure to collect everything you find. I find that it levels you up.
I'm on level 40, so I mean.
When I jump, all I can see is my character's ass, and I really don't like that. So I'm just gonna stop jumping. No, I didn't mean to jump. That was unintentional. Can I swim? Oh well, I literally said, can I swim? And the fucking thing proceeds to tell me, you can swim right over. Why did it just say wet as soon as I started swimming? Oh no, she's a bit wet.
Oh, there's elemental shit in the game. This game is really hard to explain, because when I was playing with, like, I was at school, my friend was like trying to explain the game to me. He's like, what the fuck are you on about? Yeah, I literally had no idea. It was like, so guys, there's elemental shit in the game, right? But it's like a 2D, also 3D game. It's like a platformer where you fight shit, you have to level up, and you have different characters. And he's like, what the hell are you on about? He's like, there's a really good story. Jokes, plot twist, there is not a good story at all.
Guys, it's really cool. It's pretty pog.
Pretty pog.
Women are cool.
Also, I never in my life would think this is a good story. This is a shitty story.
Hey, level 2, let's
That's a
go.
joke, actually. Actually, what I said was a joke. I actually do like the story a bit.
I don't fucking care, you little flying twat.
What is it,
You're
bro?
like 6 years old. Stop telling me what to do, you silly. Oh!
Hello, nice.
The fire slime just got wet. Stop.
If you go in this menu and then slightly go over this one thing, it irritates you with, hello! Nice to meet you! It's like, sure.
Nice to meet you.
Oh.
My name is Xiangling. I'm a chef from Liyue. My favorite
What
is
is
chicken.
this?
The kitchen.
I fucking want her to die in the fire.
I understand the game.
Fortnite Battle Royale.
Who the fuck is Blanche? Blanche. Hello, Blanche. I'd like to ask about something, Blanche. Blanche, you are not very poggers, Blanche.
Uh-oh. That's my signature.
Friend chat. Send message. Send message. PP.
Wait, where did you send the message to?
We tired of playing with your ass. Today your ass is gonna die, bitch. Say goodnight, motherfucker.